Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nisha. I live in Nairobi, Kenya. Thank you for coming back. For anyone who does not know me, I do travel vlogs, fashion, lifestyle, and weekly vlogs. So today I have an amazing video for you guys. I'm doing a beauty room tour. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I like such things because for my channel, you're coming to like have really girly content, like soft girl content. You get me? You feel me? Okay. Anyways, yeah, so let's proceed. So for this tour, I'm going to show you guys when I moved in, how this room was looking like and how it's looking like right now, and then the plans I have for it. So that's basically like the jazz of the video. A beauty room that has a full wall of closet space. I am so happy about this, but now it kind of sucks because like it makes me feel like I need to like hoard and buy stuff, which I don't like. So yeah, we're not going to go much into everything that is in this closet space, but I'll just show you the like general overview. Okay, all right, so we're going to start here. It's messy, guys. I'm just letting y'all know. So here I have my duvet, extra pillow for my guests. I have extra jackets over here, duvet. I have some shoes down here and some shopping bags. So nothing interesting. And then we go up there. I have my suitcase and some packages from Amazon. So yeah, that's that. We proceed to this side. We'll start with this opening over here, which I really love. I felt like this was a perfect place to place my makeup. So yeah, I put some of my makeup here. We have my brushes, my lip stuff, we have my foundation, and then hair stuff and like moisturizers, and then the brushes over there. And then we have my speaker because I love music, guys. I do. Anyway, going up here. This place is a mess. Oh my god. But anyway, whatever. Up there, I have some shoe boxes and more packaging from Sephora. Here, I have this blue basket that has my blow dry and flat iron for my hair. And then this is my toolbox and some stuff inside there. Alrighty, okay. Then down here I have my bedding. So we start with down here. These are my bed sheets, my duvet covers. As you can see, these are the clothes that my nanny uses to clean, loofah, all that jazz. So coming up here, these are my kitchen towels. These are my hand towels, and then these are my pillowcases, and these are my throw pillowcases. So yeah, just quick like that, okay? Oh, it's a mess. Anyways, I have extra duvets and these are throw blankets for my seats, extra duvets and some curtains here. So there's nothing much to see. And then I have so many jackets. For what reason? I don't know, but yeah, these jackets helped me out when it was winter. You guys know what to experience in Nairobi, so I don't have to really tell you much. So yeah, this helped me. And then going up there, we have some Christmas stuff, my Christmas tree, extra pillows. There's just a lot of junk over there. And then going down, I have 2 pull-out drawers. So here, let me just go on the side. Here I have my swimsuits, some of them here, my travel pillowcase, and then here is just my junk drawer. This is where I put everything, so don't even ask. So yeah, that's that. Okay. So we're gonna start with here. I had to paint this wall. This is baby pink, but in Crown Paints this color is called Heel Cherry. I love it so much. I feel like this is a kind of shade of pink that I like, and I decided to go with this because I wanted the room to be bright. The original color of the walls was white, so I didn't want white, so this color is just perfect. Yeah, so that's how the wall looks. Coming down here, I have a bench, and then I have this pillow. This pillow is from Mr. Price, so cute. The story of this bench, I got it from this page on Instagram where people were tagging it. I think it was in 2019, yeah. So people were tagging this page on Instagram, and I'm like, you know what, let me try it out. The junk. I will never ever go to an Instagram page that is tagged by people online, especially people who are paid to promote things. I'm not doing that again because this is just a full of junk, and I'm not gonna mention the page because I'm so done with it. It came scuffed, the painting had chipped. It was just a mess. Like, if you look at it closely, which I'm not gonna show you guys, it was a mess. But yeah, this is staying here for the time being, and yeah, I'm planning to get 2 accent chairs on this space, both pink. One accent chair here and another one here, and then I'm planning to get an end table in the middle, and then get an arched lampshade over there. So those are my plans with this space. So yeah, but for the time being, I love this bench here. So going to the wall, I have big plans with this wall. I actually got this frame made by moi. So if you want me to make such a frame for you, I will put my Instagram page for my interior design down below in my email, so you can holla at me. I can get you such frames. So I did this myself and I really love it. It's just a silhouette of a woman with a pink background. Love that so much. So from there I have a picture of myself. I really love this picture because this was my birthday dress last year, and yeah, I had a photo shoot done. I'm not a fan of putting my pictures in my house, but this one was so nice and it's so me. Oh well, I lost footage of me talking about this wall and my plans. It pains me so much, but it's fine, we move. This is my clothes steamer, and the narrow shelf is from Builders, and I'm planning to buy another one and put it where this huge shelf is. So once I buy it, I'm going to put it on this side of the wall so that there's more space for me to have a mirror in the middle of the room, just like this. So yes, these are my plans and I'm excited. Okay, so this is my HP laptop, and then guys, if you guys could see this wallpaper that I have here, it's gold and pink. I love it so much. Actually, this is one of the best pieces that I bought for this room. I'm so in love. It's textured, it's gold, it's just giving luxurious and elegant, and I love it so much. I feel like this is my accent wall in this room and I love it so much. So from the wallpaper, I want to show you guys my lovely chandelier. One of my best purchases in this room is that white and gold chandelier that is very minimal and elegant as well. Lovely.
also forgot to add that I'll be changing my curtains to pink ones.
So I have this white desk that I've put against the window because I just want, when I work, I can look outside. So nice, the nature, everything, love that. But the only thing I don't like this desk. I really don't like this desk at all. I feel like it's very, I just feel like it's very ghetto. I just don't like it. And it was a very desperate purchase. So what I'm planning to do with this space, I'm planning to get a desk from Odds and Ends. It is an all glass desk. That's what I'm planning to get here. And then I'm planning to get a seat from Amazon. I also don't like this seat. Honestly, I feel like the furniture in this room is not giving, because this one, the story is also ghetto, so it's fine. Anyway, so yeah, this is my desk and it's white, and my chair is also white. Then I have this throw blanket on top of it, so when I feel cold I could just use it. Very lush and luxurious. Candle holder here with a glass candle on top of it, very nice. And then I have this Buddha accessory. It's glass and it's pink, love that. And then I have this mirror here. I don't have a mirror for my makeup, and you'd look at this and you're like, "Ay, this wouldn't do the job." Let me tell you, I serve looks, okay? That's because of that. So it does do the job. So coming here, I have my laptop that I use for work. So I have my phone here, and then on this side I have my pen holder, my pens. I have this candle that I really like. It's called Champagne Toast. So luxurious. It's like bubbly champagne, bright berries, and juicy tangerine. You guys just imagine how that smells. Lovely and divine. And then I have this Chanel book on top of my desk. So yeah, that's my desk area. My pink rug, I love this rug so much just because of the details on it. If you could come close, you could see the flowery detail that's going on there. I love it so much. That is just girly, luxurious, elegant. So love that rug so much. And yeah, that is my beauty room. I hope you guys liked it. We're not done with decorating. That's just how it is for now. It gets the work done. I love being here because it's so, I call it my girly haven. Instead of like a man cave, we call it a girly haven because it's like so girly and cute. Yeah, so I love it. Okay, so you guys stay tuned. I'll be doing a series of renovating my home, and as I've showed you guys, I'll start with the beauty room and then we go to other spaces of the house. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and leave a comment if you like the space and what's your favorite part, and if you have any ideas of what you'd want me to like do in this room, just leave it down. And thank you so much for the new subscribers, and I wish you guys well, stay lit and positive always. Bye. Mwah.